My first competition was over in Newton Abbey Take and it was the internal one. That's the first one you do to see if you can get into the Northern Ireland finals. I came fourth in it. There was, I think, 16 of us, and it was pretty hard, but I was only the first year at it. They sort of put me in again for the second year, and he asked me if I wanted to do it, and I says I'll have a go at it again. He says you'll have a bit more experience, and so I had. We both of us worked on our speed, got the speed up and going. The accuracy was always there, he said, just your speed. So we got the speed going, and we put our head down and went on for it, and came out first. And it was a hard competition as well. No competition is ever easy. There was, I think, 8 of us at it, and I came out first in top 8, and had to go and do it again in Northern Ireland final in Limavady. I was up against the ones again, but it was another tight one. Got it finished in time, and I won it as well. The project I'm standing in front of is World Skills UK. That was over in England in Birmingham. Had to compete against 3rd years, 4th years older than me. I think the oldest was 27 years old. I happened to be the youngest one there, and we had 2.5 days from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock for 2 days, and on Saturday we had only 2 hours in the morning, and it was tight, also tight for time. I've seen the drawings, I thought not a hope, but at the end of it I was finished first, and it wasn't too bad. I was tight between me and another chap, but we got there and put my head down, and accuracy was there, and at the ceremony I was announced for first place for carpentry. I would tell everybody else that was going to do it, to go for it, because it's a really good experience. But I really like to thank my tutor, my boss and my family. And it was something that really put me into it.